Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So, today's pick a card reading topic is your November month, how your November month is going to be. So, that is going to be the reading for today. Okay, so I have three groups for you guys, and I have kept three aces for you guys. Okay, so for group number one, we have Ace of Spades. Group number one, Ace of Spades. For group number two, we have Ace of Hearts. For group number three, it's Ace of Clubs. So close your eyes, relax, and choose a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be given in the description box below. I'm gonna start with group number one. Okay guys, so if you need more time, pause the video and take your time and then watch. Okay, I'm gonna start with group number one. So group number one, if you have chosen this Ace of Spades, let's see what is your message for the month of November, how your November month will be. Let's see. Okay, so the rune that you have drawn is Vunyo. I'm going to do charms letters. Okay, so yeah, so you have the rune of Vunyo. Vunyo rune is about joy, pleasure. Okay, but at the same time, it's about you, about how you feel. Okay, if you're feeling very good, if you're feeling very happy, I feel like that is what you're going to manifest in your life in the month of November. So, like the law of attraction, if you're liking something, if you're feeling good about something, you're gonna get it. If you're feeling stressed, if you're feeling anxious, you might have more of it. Okay, so the way you feel is very important in the month of November. So if you're hopeful, if you're like, yes, my manifestations will come, I will be happy, like if you're giving that to the universe, you're going to get it back. But if you're feeling like hopeless, if you're always complaining in the month of November, there is a chance you might get it back. So the more you stress, like if you're stressing, if your energy is full of stress, you might receive that back. Okay, so that is the thing here. That is the, I feel like, with like how law of attraction works. So it's very easy to give the desire to the universe, like we give, I want this, and we give the desire to the universe, but the feelings are very important. Like, are we hopeful about our desire, or are we stressing about it? So if you stress about it, it will take more time and the stress is going to manifest. So so law of attraction, this is what is important for you guys in the month of November. Okay, so yeah, if you want to manifest something, feel it, feel joyful, feel hopeful, then only you will get it. Okay, if you are feeling like anxious, if you are always stressing about it, it might take more time. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. Okay, let's see your energy, overall energy for the month. I'm using this energy oracle deck. Let's see what is your energy for the month for group number one, overall energy for the month of November. What is the overall energy? Oh, we got, wow, appreciation. So a lot of appreciation. So I feel like for the month of November, you will be very grateful for all the stuff, things you have in your life. You will be giving gratitude a lot. You will be appreciating all the things that you have in your life. So yeah, with this Vunyo rune, what I'm saying is like you are going to feel happy, you're going to feel joyful, you're going to feel hopeful, and you will be giving that gratitude to the divine. That is your energy for the whole month. And if you are stressing right now, if you're complaining, constant complaining, so maybe spirit is telling you to come back and be more grateful for all the things you have already achieved in your life, right? So that is something I'm getting. You need to appreciate life more. The more you appreciate, the more you will get, right? So if you're thankful for all the small thing, if you're giving gratitude for all the small things, if you're feeling like, yes, I can do this, yeah, I'm so grateful for all the things, you will get that energy. You know, it's like for some of you, if you are right now feeling low, feeling stressful, maybe this is a This is the spirit is telling you to shift your energy to appreciate more, more like life, to appreciate life more. Yeah, sometimes we go through challenges. It's just a part of life, right? Sometimes we become like thankless, right? Sometimes we become thankless. So it's important you appreciate all the small things you have in your life. And for others, what I feel like, you're going to be in this energy of appreciation. You will be giving gratitude to a lot of people. You might be emailing to a lot of people, giving gratitude, right? Like you will be calling your mom and saying how grateful you are for all the things that she has given to you, or maybe calling your dad, or maybe sharing like your giving thanks to your co-workers. So it's like you are going to be in this you're in this appreciation mode where you're giving thanks. You're like like I'm getting like a lot of thanks you're giving out. And maybe for some of you, you're appreciating universe also for all the things they have given to you. You're appreciating you're giving thanks to the spirit. So that kind of thing I'm getting for you guys. And I feel like you're going to embody this joy and peaceful energy in the month of November. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, with these two cards, I'm just, your energy is good, guys. I feel like you're making the change for the month of November. Your energy is shifting. You're becoming more grateful for all the things you have. And you're understanding how universe works. Okay, so yeah, you're going to be very grateful for all the things you are receiving. And you're going to give a lot of gratitude to others people. You will be saying your thanks, right? That's what I'm getting. Even if you're not saying, you will feel it emotionally. You will be very grateful for all the stuff. I feel like that. Okay, for some of you, this is an advice also to start a gratitude journal. Like start writing gratitude to all the people. Like whenever you wake up, give that gratitude, write that gratitude, like list 10 things you're grateful for the day, right? So just do that in the month of November. It will be very good for your energy, because I feel like you're coming in this energy where you are aligning, you're in alignment with the universe. So it will be very easy for you guys to manifest. So when we are in this energy of gratefulness, we're very grateful, we're giving gratitude, it's very easy for us to manifest. And I feel like you're getting into this energy. So the more you practice this thing, the more you will receive. That's what I'm getting. And we have 15 number, and 6 number might be important for you guys. And 6 number, I'm getting like 666. Maybe you're seeing 666, or it's like healing. You're healing your past, you're moving forward, you're very grateful for all the lessons also you have learned in your life, right? Sometimes we feel like that, why I had to go to do these things, why this person did this to me. And I feel in the month of November, you are understanding that yes, I had to have these things, because otherwise I wouldn't have grown, right? I would have been the same person. Now I'm so much more than that, my past self. I've grown so much. And you're appreciating your past self as well, like the past self who has endured a lot, right? So that's what I'm getting. You're growing as a person. And you're understanding that right now, that these lessons, these people were important, because you have to learn a lot of lessons, and you're okay with it now. I feel like then in the month of November, you will be like, yes, this happened, I'm thankful for that person. Because of that person, I learned so much, I have grown so much, right? I have become more strong, more courageous. So yeah, you're going to appreciate. I'm getting like you will be appreciating your enemies also. That kind of energy I'm getting. The people who have broken your heart, you're going to appreciate them also, because you have learned so much from them. Okay, so let's see. Another oracle card. Let's see what you're learning. Like, what are you learning in the month of November? What lessons are you learning in the month of November? Regret. I know that I cannot change the past. Interestingly, I was talking about that. Interesting, right? So yeah, the things that have happened to you guys, you know that now you cannot change. You're learning that. You're maybe for some of you have done certain mistakes, and now you're like, yeah, I had done that mistake in the past, but now I'm not that person anymore. I've grown a lot, I have evolved a lot. And yeah, you used to regret about it. In the month of November, you are like, yeah, I had done a lot of stupid things, but it's okay, because it was just a thing that I have to learn. Like, people learn from their mistakes. So what I'm seeing, like you are letting go of that regret, letting go of the past, the people, maybe for some of you letting go of the people, and you're, as I told you, you're going to be very grateful for all the things you have received, and you're like, yes, I have received these lessons so far, so I have become a more courageous and strong person. Okay, so I feel like for some of you are going to review about your past, about your present energies and all. You will be like, yeah, I did that in the past, and but I've grown so much from that. I've learned a lot of lessons. This person did this, but I'm not like I'm not regretting to be in a relationship with this person, because this person did learn, make me learn a lesson, and made me, you know, feel like that I'm courageous. I can overcome a lot of things, a lot of adversity. So yes, it's the thing, that is the thing you're learning, like not to regret anything from your past. You have changed, you have evolved, you are forgiving people, you are appreciating people for who they are, and you're moving forward. This energy is so beautiful. Like the energy you are in is very beautiful. Like you're in this gratitude energy, giving gratitude to everyone. Like you're not you're making this connection with the universe, very strong connection, I feel like. So yeah, and yeah, you're yeah, maybe for some of you, you like you were regretting something about your past. Maybe you made a decision that was not good for you guys, but in the month of November you're understanding that yes, I made that decision that was not good for me, but I learned my lesson. I've learned it, now I'm not going to repeat it, and so you're grateful for that also. So yeah, and for some of you it's like get out of this regret energy. Yes, you cannot change the past anymore. Appreciate for all the things. Now you're here, right? You're alive. Be grateful for that. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. So let's start with the blessings for the month. So I'll start with the blessings. Oh wow, we have high honor and unexpected money. Okay, for some of you, yeah, you will be very grateful for the unexpected money you might receive. For some of you, your work is going to be very much appreciated. Okay, full of appreciation for some of you. Yeah, some of you is very high. So for some of you, you will get money because extra money, because people will be very happy by your work. Maybe you have a, you do like, maybe you are an artist, like for example you're an artist, and someone will be like recognizing your art, and they will be like, wow, this is so good, and maybe they will buy your art, and maybe they will give you some extra cash, so something like that. So yeah, and you will be so thankful. Like really guys, I feel like that you are going to be in a very beautiful energy. Your energy is shifting, and I have to say that you're the one who is making the change in your life, because you are in this energy of gratitude. You're not expecting anything, but you're giving that thanks to the universe. You're giving thanks to the to other people, and because of it, the recognition that you deserve is coming your way. The money you deserve is coming your way. So extra money from someone you might receive, and you will be so grateful for that. I feel like that, for your work, for your amazing work. So look, high honor. So I feel like the people who haven't recognized your worth are going to recognize your worth. If your idea was not like, for some of you, if in your workplace, if your idea was not seen, the work you did was not seen, people are recognizing your effort, your work. Like appreciation is given to you. Like with this appreciation, like people are appreciating you for who you are, because you are appreciating yourself, right? When we appreciate ourselves, when our inner changes, the outer changes. Your inner is changing, guys. That's why you will see that change. Wow, you're in this beautiful energy in the month of November, and that's why things are happening for you guys. So if you will be like, I'm seriously feeling like you are going to, if you you are letting go of this stress, anxiety, and you're coming in this beautiful energy. Wow. And that's why you're getting that recognition. The like, maybe for some of you it can be your parents recognizing and giving you extra money for help, like something like that. Or maybe you will pass an exam and your parents will be very happy, very proud of you guys. Or maybe your spouse will be very happy and proud of you. Maybe other people will be very proud of you. Your boss will be very happy by your work, and maybe they will give you a raise or some extra cash. That's something I'm getting here. So that is a blessing. So money wise, I see some like for some of you it like gift, someone will gift you money, some extra cash for your work, and you will be so grateful. You are in this energy of gratefulness, and you will be in that energy. Okay, so let's see your love life in the month of November, how your love life will be in the month of November. Magic and 7 of coins. Okay, so for some of you, you are manifesting you're manifesting a beautiful relationship, I feel like, in the month of November, because you are in this grateful appreciation energy. So if you're single, definitely I'm getting you're manifesting that, and the relationship that you want is coming your way, because you know we have 7 of coins. 7 of coins is a person who is waiting, right? Is waiting, and we have magician card here. So someone who is waiting for their manifestation. And what I feel like that, if you have been manifesting a soulmate relationship, if you have been manifesting a friendship, if you have been manifesting like a marriage, I'm getting even that. For some of you, you might be manifesting a marriage. Maybe your spouse, maybe your partner will propose to you. That is also something. So something that is regarding your manifestation, like what you're manifesting is coming. So the thing that is you have been waiting for. So you have been nurturing this thing. You have been like writing it, scripting down, and you have been very hopeful about this thing. That is what you're manifesting in your love life. Okay, or maybe for some of you it can be about your child also. You love your child, and you have been manifesting something for your child that is coming true. Maybe you want to gift your child something, and that's why like you will get some unexpected income, and because of it you will be able to fulfill your desires, like your child's desires. Okay, so something like that. So what I'm getting for your love life is, if you're manifesting a soulmate relationship, or whatever you're manifesting for love, that is coming. You have been waiting for that is coming in the month of November, because you're going to be in this beautiful energy. And for others, it's like you're in this energy of manifestation. Your energy is very aligned. As I told you, you're in this appreciative energy, so you can get what you manifest. If you're manifesting like, yes, I want a perfect relationship, I want to improve my marriage life, I want to spend some quality time with my spouse, yes, it's all possible. So that's the thing. And for some of you, you are going to manifest a person who you will grow old together. So that's something I'm getting for some of you. Love relationship, a strong love relationship is manifesting for you guys. And you are in this beautiful period, like you are the magicians in the month of November. You have the power to manifest whatever you want in your love life. Definitely, that's what I'm getting. And the thing that I feel like the thing that you have been waiting, you have been patiently waiting for this thing. You have been nurturing this thing. So maybe for some of you, it's a relationship that you're nurturing. You're giving your best, and this relationship is going to move forward. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So very beautiful very beautiful energy for you guys in your love life also. Like you are in this thankfulness energy. That's why things will be very easy for you guys to manifest. That's what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, that's a lot. Wait, so what is for my group number 1 for their love life? True love, yes. Stay optimistic about your love life. Look, I feel like that you are in this energy of 7 of coins, where you are very optimistic about your love life. Yes, you feel like, yes, I will have this. If you're single, you're like, yes, I'm manifesting this soulmate relationship. I will have this true love. I will have this person who I will spend my whole life together, and that's what is manifesting for you guys. It was a confirmation here. So yes, I'm so happy for you guys. So if you're single, definitely, if you're manifesting a soulmate, yes, it's coming in the month of November. So be open to it also. So be open to new people. Okay, that's what something. Don't be in this comfort zone. Be open also. That is also I'm getting here. For some of you, you don't open up to different people. So it's important that you get out your comfort zone, because you're manifesting it, but at the same time you need to also take action. Okay, that is something I'm getting. But definitely for some of you, if you are asking, yes, this is the one, yes, this is the one. So things are going to progress in your relationship. Be optimistic about it. Yes, you have been waiting, you have been patient. Maybe for some of you, you have this person in your mind and you're like, whether this person will also give me the love back. Yes, so for definitely there is like you're manifesting true love in your life, guys. And if you're already married, yes, your relationship is going to progress. There will be a lot of lovely moments in the month of November, because you will be very grateful, you will be giving the love, and that support and love you're also getting back. So if you have certain ups and downs in your relationship, I feel like that is resolving for you guys. And yes, you will be able to like for some of you, I feel like you want to make your child's life easier, and that is also possible. Okay, you love your kids. If you have kids, you love your kids and you want to give them some special items and all, it is also going to be possible. Okay, be optimistic about that also. So in your love life, it's like you are the magician. What you want, you can manifest in the month of November, because your energy is so beautiful. Like you're in this appreciative energy, like you're not expecting anything, but at the same time you're manifest, like you are like, yes, I'm thankful for all the small things. Because of your energy, things will come to you easily. I'm getting that. And yes, definitely there is. Wow, be optimistic, guys. Be optimistic about your love life. Yes, there is someone who loves you a lot, and yes, you are manifesting true love. Okay. Okay, so for some of you, I feel like if you want to dress up nicely, if you're going on a date with someone, just dress up nicely. Like whatever you want to dress and enjoy that thing. Okay, enjoy it. Be in this joyful energy, because the more you're in this joyful energy, the easier things will come to you. That is something I'm getting here. So let's see what you need to surrender. Oh, okay, wait, I'll just shuffle again. Wait. So what group number 1 needs to surrender for the month of November? You're definitely in a very beautiful energy though. Surrender to the beautiful of natural world, beauty of the natural world. So yeah, surrender to your own beauty. Like don't think, and the back like surrender to trust. Yes, I feel like, yes, the beauty of the natural world, the beauty of I feel like you need to surrender to that. Yes, you're beautiful. Understand that you're worthy. You're beautiful. You can manifest the things that you want to manifest in your life. For some of you, it's like getting out in the nature, connecting with plants, animals. It will be very, very, very good for you guys. Okay, if you have a pet, spend quality time with them, because you will feel so relaxed with them. Okay, that is what you need to do. Like whenever you're stressing, I'm getting like you are going to be in this beautiful energy, but yeah, sometimes we are humans, we might go through some emotions are like that only. Sometimes we feel good, sometimes we feel bad. Whenever you're feeling bad, just go out in nature, connect with your animals. If you have a pet, connect with them, you will feel very, very relaxed. So you can just give it to the divine. You can just like let go of everything and just be in nature and be thankful. Like be like that, and your manifestations are very, very like I feel like your manifestations is in your own hands. The way you feel, if you feel very good, you're going to receive it very soon. So it's about that. Let's see how your career is going to be, and career and finances. Let's see. We have 7 of Wands, and yeah, you're praying. For some of you, you're praying for something. You're manifesting money. If you're manifesting money, I'm seeing, hold on to that. Okay, yeah. I'm getting for some of you, you might receive some message regarding your career, or regarding your work, or regarding finances. Some good news. Wow, look at it. We have 9 of sorry for that. Yes, we have 9 of Pentacles energy and 7 of Wands. So keep on believing. Like if you are manifesting certain amount of money, you will be able to receive it. So your whole energy is like that only for the month of November. It's all about if you believe in it, you will be able to make it. Like Seven of Wands energy is someone who is standing their ground. This person is like meditating, is praying. This person is praying, yes, I want this. They are very confident, yes, I will get it. You're in this energy of like you're having the faith, you're trusting the universe, and when you do that, you will be able to reap the rewards. With this Nine of Pentacles, again, there is money coming your way. So yes, there is little bit growth in money. So if you're a business, if you're trying to like grow your business, that is going to be possible. Maybe for some of your products, like if yeah, more people will come to you guys, more clients will come to you guys, so you will be able to expand things. So yes, definitely there is growth in your finances and career. I'm seeing you will be feeling very good about it, because Nine of Pentacles is someone who is very, very successful, right? This person is very successful. They are very they know how to take care of their business, they know how to take care of themselves, they dress lovely, they enjoy their life, they have enough, right? So with this Nine of Pentacles energy, that is what I'm getting. So there is growth, you're going to enjoy. Like if you work in an office, you will be you will be dressing up nicely, you'll be going, you'll be enjoying the work, and because of it, people will recognize your work, and you will you know, some extra cash you're going to get in the month of November, definitely, because you are in this energy of you're very thankful to spirit, you're very thankful for everything that you have achieved till now. I feel like you, for some of you, something happened in the recent past, or yeah, I'm getting like something happened, because of that your perception has completely shifted, and that's why you're going to be in this beautiful energy in the month of November. Okay, wow, I'm very happy for you guys, because your energy, you are the one who is making the change. Your energy is shifting, you're becoming very, very hopeful, you're becoming very peaceful, you're not worried about the outcome anymore. You're like, I'm going to give my best, I'm going to pray, I'll just trust spirit and go forward it. And so you're just manifesting, and you're not stressing about it. You're in this beautiful energy, and I feel like you're going to apply a lot of law of attraction. Even if you don't know, you're going to apply that in the month of November. Okay, so let's see. What is the message for you guys from fairies for the month of November? Trust. Yeah, look, we had the surrender to trust here as the back of deck. I showed you that, right? So yeah, breathe in, breathe out, let go of doubt. That is what you need to do, and I feel like you're doing that. You're letting go of your stress, you're trusting spirit, and that's why you're getting this beautiful energy of you're aligning with spirit, you're linking with spirit, you're blending with spirit, and you're trusting. You have this 100% trust. Like I'm getting a person is flying, flying, and they're not afraid to fall, because they know that spirit will pick them up. They're not going to they will not have any problems, because they are protected. So that kind of trust you have, and yes, have trust, guys, because I feel like November is going to be very beautiful for you guys. Okay, so let's see the affirmations for you guys for the month of November. The affirmations for the month of November. Okay. Yeah, I trust my inner wisdom. Wow. Yes, that is what you need to do. You need to trust your inner wisdom. As I go about my daily affairs, I listen to my own guidance. My intuition is always on my side. I trust it to be there at all times. I'm safe. Yes, you're safe, you're secure, your manifestations are secure. Just give it to divine. Trust your inner wisdom. Take action accordingly. Like if your inner self is saying, just I need to take this idea, I need to work on this idea. Take that idea, work on that idea, because it will be very, very, very good for you guys. It will give you a very good outcome. Okay, so this is your affirmation. If you need to, if you want to take a screenshot, take it, write it down in your journal for the month of November. Look again, with this what I'm getting, like this Nine of Pentacles energy. She's smelling roses, she's happy, she's in alignment with spirit. She has the power to make her desires a reality, right? She's feeling powerful, she's feeling courageous, and that's what I feel for you guys. So just take a screenshot If you want to write it down in your journal, it will be very good. So you can just wake up every day and just read it out loud. It will be very helpful for you guys, I feel, for the month of November. So yeah, let's do the charms. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep all this and I'm gonna do the charms and letters also for you guys. Okay, this was a very beautiful reading, I have to say, group number 1, and I'm very happy with that you are coming in this energy where you're not complaining so much, but at the same time you're getting in alignment with spirit. You are understanding universe, even though you don't. I feel for some of you will not even realize it, like without even realizing you're in this energy, you're in this, like, you're so thankful. Like for some of you will be praying and you will be so thankful that tears will fall, like, yeah, I have so much things in my life. I have spirit has given me so much, universe has given me so much, like, yeah, I'm getting that energy for you guys. Let's see the charms also for the month of November for my group number 1. And I'm feeling so relaxed while I'm doing your reading. Sometimes I'm not that relaxed while doing readings, but this like your reading is like I'm so relaxed. Your energy is so relaxed, like so peaceful energy I'm feeling right now. That's what I'm feeling, because I feel things. I'm getting like November month will be like that only. A lot of calmness, a lot of peacefulness. Like you're feeling happy from inside, even though even though you didn't get the things you want in your life, you're happy. Like sometimes just like looking at the car, you're happy. Like looking at the butterflies, you're happy. Looking at the house, your own house, you're happy. Like looking at the small things and you're happy from inside. There's a lot of, like, an outburst of happiness you have. That's what I'm getting. Like for some of you, looking at your kids and like, yes, I made this one, and you're so happy about it. Like I'm getting that energy for you guys. Wow, that's beautiful energy for you guys. You're coming in a very beautiful energy. I hope I am also in this energy. Okay, so let's see for your charms. Wow, look, we have this. Your third eye is popping. Your intuition is going to be on point. Group number 1. So trust your inner wisdom. That is your affirmation. So for some of you, there will be like, my inner self is saying that, oh, that I'm just making this up. Like you will not trust it. So just trust your inner wisdom. And that's why that affirmation came out. And yes, read books, chill, relax, connect with the nature. We have gotten the card, right? Where is that? Surrender to the beauty of the natural world, like spending time with pets, animals, looking at the squirrels. If you have like squirrels roaming around your house, look at them, be hopeful. Again, we have this hopefulness, right? Yeah, be hopeful, guys, be hopeful. Everything is going to be okay. I'm getting with this crab is like Cancer sign, maybe Cancer, your Cancer signs. And with this crab also, I feel like moon phases affect you. So use moon phases for manifestation, like when it's like when the moon is like letting go at the time of waning phase. Yeah, waning phase is like letting go, right? If I'm not wrong, I'm not so sure about it, but yeah, there is a time when the moon reduces. At that time, do something that you don't want in your life, like let go of the things. When the moon is like expanding, like it's growing, at that time put out your manifestation. Like after full moon, write down the things that you want in your life. And the time of like at the time of new moon, write down your manifestation, because at the time is like the moon is like there will be like waxing crescent, like that it will grow, right? So at the time, put your manifestation. And when it's like the moon is like reducing, at that time do the rituals for letting go. So the things that you want less in your life, use that. Okay, that will be very beneficial for you guys. And take action accordingly, according to the time. Don't do something. Yeah, for some of you, it's like sometimes we give our 100%, but the timing will be not correct, right? So it's important for you guys to do when you feel it. You will feel it. Your inner self will say, just do this at this time. And if you feel like, yeah, I don't have to do this at this time, I have to relax, at that time relax. So trust your inner wisdom, okay? Yeah, you're very protected. I feel like a lot of protection energy is also there. wealth. Your wealth is also protected. Yeah, you're very, very strong. You're very strong, very courageous. So keep on moving forward with this hippo. Look, lot of love. So there is someone around you who is like, who might be acting very stupid. Okay, there is someone around you who is acting very stupid. You can change them with your love. You can give them gratitude. I feel like even though they act stupid, they might, but they're not going to make you angry in the month of November, because you're full of love in the month of November. You're so in alignment with spirit. So even though they do stupid things, you will not be bothered by it. I'm getting like that. And yeah, inner wisdom, horror's eye, right? Trust it. Trust your psychic insight. Like, trust your third eye is popping, so trust it. And we have butterfly. Like, yeah, beautifully you're transforming, guys. I just love this. And then we have B, we have C, we have Q, and then we have B. So let's see the letters also. And then I'm gonna end the reading. This is very beautiful reading though. I just love it. Okay. Oh, lots of B. Okay, maybe your initial is B or something. Someone with B might be important. Like, don't be concerned about your BMI. Someone is here concerned about their BMI. It's not about the BMI. It's about how you eat, if you're healthy. Like, sometimes we just put a weighing scale, like, oh, my BMI is high, that means I'm not healthy. No, it's not always the case. If you're feeling like you need to consult doctor, it's okay, but I don't know, I feel like someone is just very much worried about their BMI. Don't be so worried about that. I'm getting here just a specific message here. Okay, A, that's a blank tile, and we have with this we have bag, like your purse is going to be filled, like money is coming your way. I feel like that. If you're manifesting money, that definitely, yeah, a wall, like obstacles are going to be removed. Be patient. And I feel like you're very patient, guys. So maybe for some of you, you have like basketball, you love playing basketball. For your exercise, if it's possible, do it. If you love it, do it. And I'm getting basket also for some of you. Like, yeah, your basket is going to be full, like your groceries. You know, you will not have to worry about your groceries or the things, because everything will be, you will be able to buy everything. You will be able to fulfill your needs in the month of November, and you will be so grateful for that. And we have Jet. Oh, it's like, maybe for some of you, you might travel also. Okay, but definitely this is like a spiritual travel, I feel like, for many of you. Yeah, and enjoy good music, guys. Okay, I feel like music will help you a lot in your manifestation. While you're manifesting, while you're meditating, use music, light music, meditation music. That will be very helpful also. Okay, so base, getting to base for some of you, base. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's it for my lovelies. I'm so happy to do your reading today. Bye bye, take care. So group number 2, if you have chosen this Ace of Cups, let's see, Ace of Hearts, let's see what is your message for the month of November. I'm going to do charms, letters also. So yeah, so we have the rune Sovillo, and Sovillo rune is all about happiness, well-being. It's like the sun card in the tarot. So like you're going to shine, a lot of clarity is there. It's a message for you guys to use your intelligence as well as your creative side, both. I feel like you will be doing that. You will be very passionate about your work, about your love life, about the way you dress. So a lot of glow up is also what I see, like the sun shining. You're going to shine in the month of November. As what I see, like your health will be also very good. You will be full of energy. So yeah, so let's start. So let's see the overall energy for you guys for the month of November, group number 2. For the month of November, action. Wow, lot of things are going to move forward for you guys. A journey for some of you, travel. You might be traveling a lot in the month of November for your work. There might be travel, might be going places, or definitely for adventure also I see for you guys. For some of you, you have been planning something, like you have been doing that in like inner work, like you have been planning that I want to do this, I want to do this. I feel like in the month of November you're going to take action, right? For some of you, yeah, you have been planning certain things for quite a long time. Now in the month of November, it's the time to take action, movement, progression. That's what I see, like things are moving forward, you're taking action. You are going to take action. You're feeling very happy, you're feeling successful, the feelings are very good, you're shining, you're like a sun, you're sunlight, you're very clear on what to do, when to do. So that is the energy for you guys. And if you're feeling stuck right now, if you're feeling like things are not moving forward, I feel like things are going to move forward. And this action card is also telling you to take action, right? So if you have been planning something, November is the month to take action. So maybe you have been planning that for so long time now, like spirit guides, your angels are telling you to take action, because this period is very good, because you are in this sun energy, you're embodying the sun energy, you're in this passionate energy. So you're seeing things very clearly, so take action accordingly. Okay, trust yourself, have faith, and do that. So what are you planning right now? If you have certain plans, don't delay those plans. If you're feeling like you have been manifesting, like, or if you have been planning to travel for so long, maybe it's November is the time to take that action and go for an adventure, go do the things. Okay, so you have done the inner planning, now it's to take action, right? So there, and if you're feeling stuck, I feel like things are going to progress, there is action coming your way. So in relationship also, maybe you have been trying to tell this person your feelings, you have been like thinking about it, maybe it's time to say it out loud. Maybe it's time to take action. Maybe you're very single, you have been planning to get into a relationship, maybe it's time to take action, go out, meet new people, right? So it's the time to action, because you are in this glowing energy, you're in this passionate energy, you're glowing like a sun, you're very clear, and you have a glow up also. Maybe for some of you have been working on your skin, or maybe you have been working on your body to lose weight or something like that. Now, yeah, you have done the work, now it's time to take action, like go according to your plans. Now you have done the inner work, you have been doing, maybe changing your body, you have been exercising, you have been changing your diet, you have been doing that work, now it's time to take action. That's what I'm getting. And we have the number 17 here, and it's for some of you, you want to get into a relationship or something like that, maybe it's time to take action, right? So let's see what lesson you will be learning in the month of November. Yeah, adversity. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. So I feel this is the lesson you need to learn, and you need to know that in the month of November, there, you are in this glowing energy. You're taking action. You're like the sun. You're very clear. People are noticing you. People are giving you compliments. So that's a very beautiful energy to be in, but at the same time there might be certain challenges that come out of nowhere. But don't be afraid of those challenges, because you're very courageous, you're very strong, and you will be able to overcome any challenge. So if a challenge occurs, it's our attitude, how we react, that's the most important thing. Like if you're, oh my god, why my life is like this, I try to do this thing and there is like roadblocks. If you think like that, that will not be helpful at all for you guys. So you need to change you need to change your attitude whenever you have a challenge in your life. Change your attitude, and you will be able to overcome that challenge. And that's what it's like a test from spirit. I feel like you're going good, you're taking action, and also sometimes there might be a little bit disturbances that spirit will put but you will be able to overcome it. That's what you need to know right now. Okay, and through this, spirit is not putting to make you give up. It's like spirit is like making you learn a lot of lessons. We have to grow as a soul, right? So just take it like a lesson, and yes, you will be able to overcome any adversities in your life. So I accept the challenge. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn, isn't it? Yes, through challenges only we learn. If our if our life is full of straight road and there's nothing to learn, what's the use of life, right? We have to learn, we have to grow as a person. And so I feel like you will be learning a lot in the month of November. Like You will be learning about your own strength, how courageous you are. While taking action, there might be like traffic, when you're driving a road, sometimes there will be a little bit of traffic and you will have to wait, and then only you can move forward, right? But the good thing is that you will reach your destination. So if you're like, oh, there is so much of traffic, I will go back to my home and sit, then you will never reach your office, right? If you're going to an office, if there is traffic and you're like, I'm giving up, I'm going to go back home, I'm not going to go work, we don't do that. We sit there, we will be patient, and then we will reach our destination. So that's the thing that you need to know for the month of November. Okay, so let's see what is your blessings for the month of November. Oh wow, support from your community, that's what I heard. So support, your parents will support you. And we have judication. Okay, maybe for some of you, if you're going through some problems in your love life, or maybe through a divorce, I feel like that if you like, yeah, I'm getting for some of you in your relationship, you're going through a challenge. You will be able to overcome that challenge, and you are going to find the people who will support you in this. Okay, so for some of you, it's like you're moving away from your partner, like you're divorcing them, and your family will be there to support you. So through these challenges, you're not alone. That's your blessing here. Okay, so yes, whatever challenge you are, whatever challenge spirit gives you, you're not alone. I feel for some of your parents are with you, they are supporting you. For others, it is your community that will support you through these challenges. For some of you, it can be literally you're going through a legal battle and you're feeling very alone. You're not alone. There is people who is supporting you. Or for some of you, there will be challenges that will come. You will have to make decisions, and spirit is telling you don't have to do it by yourself, because spirit guides, your angels are around you. They are supporting you, your ancestors are supporting you. Or for some of you, if you have to make a major decision, you don't have to do it all alone, because they're your parents, your community, your people, who only wants your best, are there to support you. So there is a lot of support around you. So if you're trying to do your work, and you're trying to increase your followers, I feel like there are people who will support you, who will, yeah, there, like, I feel like a lot of following is also coming your way in some way. So yeah, so maybe for some of you, you have been planning there has some legal battle was happening. Finally that legal battle will be resolved, and you will be happy, and you will be together with your family, something like that. There is a lot of support. That's your blessing. And I feel like whatever decision will be made, it will be for your highest good. Sometimes we feel like that we are not happy with the decision, but this decision will be for your highest good. That's what I'm getting here for the month of November. Spirit has a plan. Trust that, and that is your blessing. Spirit is with you. They are with you. They are guiding you. They are supporting you. So whatever decisions, like, sometimes we feel like that, why this happened, you will feel very challenged, but this will be for your highest good. It will be a blessing in disguise, and that is your blessing. Okay, so let's see your love life. So maybe for some of you, you want to move to a different country. There will be some certain issues with documents and all, but people will help you. There will be people who will help you with the documents. That is also I'm getting. So there are people who are going to support you, who are going to help you in some way. So don't be afraid to ask for help, and don't try to do everything by yourself. That's the message here. Okay, wait. We have we have 7 of Wands here for love life. So you're fighting your demons by yourself. You're doing everything by yourself. So that's the blessing here. You have other people who you can seek support from. Sometimes we feel like that they will not help us. It's you are overthinking about it. For some of you, it's also about your mental health that is coming. Maybe you need to focus more on your mental health in the month of November. So maybe there is a lot of overthinking that you're thinking. You feel alone. You feel like there is no one, but it's all your own thinking. That's something I'm getting getting here for some of you. Okay, you don't have to do everything by yourself. You feel like that you have to do everything by yourself. It's not the case, it's not the truth. So you have this community of people who will support you. Maybe they are not your parents who will support you, maybe they are not friends, but some way there is support that will be presented to you guys. Maybe your spirit guides will will help you, or they might like they, some different people, like some stranger might help you in some way, right? So there is support around you. You don't have to do everything by yourself. In your love life also, don't struggle by yourself. If you have, maybe for some of you there are mental health issues where you're stressing a lot, where you are very anxious. Maybe it's time to seek someone who will help you, right? So ask for support. That's what I'm getting in the month of November. Don't do everything by yourself. You're not here to do everything by yourself. Okay, maybe for some of you, you have been going through a rough phase. You are going through divorce, and that is like having too much on yourself, and you're like, I have to do everything myself. I have to do this. You're overthinking a lot. Maybe you can share your feelings to someone. They will help you in some way. That's what Spirit is telling me here. Yeah, it's a new life for you guys. We have transformation. It's like letting go of something or someone. Like, it's a new life where Princess of Arrows, it's about, you're moving forward. And look, we have the butterflies. Yeah, transformation. Interesting, we have transformation, and then we have this butterflies over here. So yeah, definitely there is growth for you guys. For some of you, it's like you are your mental health is improving. I feel like that you are like, yes, I cannot do everything by myself. You're taking help from other people. And for others, I feel like relationship is ending, and it is going to be a very good blessing for you guys, because you will be able to move forward. You will be learning a lot of new things. You will be learning a lot of new things about yourself. Maybe for some of you, this is a new career, and you will be learning a lot of things. You will be finding support in this new workplace. But definitely something is ending in your life that is too emotional also. I feel like it has stressed you a lot, but you are moving forward. For some of you it can be action. Like, with this action, like you have been fighting inside. Like, you have been fighting a lot of issues from inside, like a lot of struggles, a lot of anxious thinking or overstressing. Now you're letting go of that overstressing and moving forward. You're doing the things you want to do. Like, you have been this caterpillar for so long. Finally you are like deciding, I don't want to be this caterpillar anymore. I'm going to be this butterfly who is free. So you are claiming your freedom, I'm getting, and you're not going to be afraid of any adversity. So this month is like you're overcoming your challenges. Maybe you have been going through these kind of challenges where you've been feeling like you have to do everything by yourself. Maybe this person doesn't understand. If you're in a partnership also, you are the one who is giving you 100%. You're not receiving anything back. Like, finally you're deciding that enough is enough. Maybe you have been contemplating like to get out of this relationship. Finally, like, you are like getting out of this thing. For some of you, it's like you have been very single, and you have been like contemplating. Wow, so sorry guys. I am not getting that. I'm sorry. Sometimes I can so sorry. So you have been thinking about like, I have to go out, seek new friends. I feel like this is a month that you will be doing it. You will be sharing your feelings. You will be speaking out. You will be seeking for support. For some of you, it's like you're single, and you will be like ready. You will be going out. You will be mingling with people. You'll be like, I'm ready to mingle now. You'll be talking to new people. So like, beautiful transformation, spiritual transformation. For some of you, you might have been doing some inner work. Now you're ready to shine. I'm getting like that. Okay, so this is like kind of like, I'm getting mentally you are improving a lot. You're not going to be that anxious as you used to be in the month of November. You're taking small steps. So maybe this legal battles have put a lot of stress on you. Finally this is resolving. Finally you're getting the support. So things are moving forward. Okay, you're moving forward. You're growing, and you're like beautifully transforming. So I feel like in the month of November, a lot of stress, the stress that you have is like little bit, you're giving away to other people. You're asking support, so you will feel very light, little bit light. Okay, yeah, this is going to be a very emotional process also with this transformation. It's like a lot of endings I'm getting. Like, you're ending a lot of things in your life. maybe it might be very emotional, but you're ready to move forward, you're ready to take action. For some of you it can be a place or a house that you're letting go of, maybe a relationship, maybe a career. You have been thinking about it, you have been like feeling very anxious. Finally you are seeking support, you're getting the support, and you're moving forward. Okay, that's what I'm getting for you guys. So let's see what you need to surrender to in the month of November. Group number 2. Oh my god, that's a lot. Maybe you need to surrender a lot of things. Anyways, let's see. Oh, surrender your attachment to results. Yeah, so for some of you are stressing what will happen. Maybe for some of you, you're going through legal battles and you're very, very stressed about what will be the result. You're so much attached to the result. Instead, focus on yourself, focus on your mental health. Ask for support from other people instead of being attached to the result. Let go of that attachment to the result. Whatever the result will be, it will be for your highest good. That's what I'm hearing. And yes, you will be able to overcome these challenges. These challenges are just a part for your soul's growth, and you're going to shine like a sun. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting. Things are going to be very, very clear for you guys. Okay, look, we have surrender to obsessive thinking with the 7 of Wands. Yes, you're thinking a lot, like you're overstressing. A lot of negative thinking also is there. You just stress about one thing over and over and over again. It is not going to do any good to you guys. Okay, so you need to work on that. You need to surrender that. So let's see what else for your career, guys. Group number 2. How your career will be for group number 2. Page of Cups. Some sort of new information is coming your way. Maybe you're planning to learn something new. Go for it. Like maybe with this transformation also, like in the love life, maybe you are going to do something that you always wanted to do, like some new studies. That's something. And you need to trust your intuition, your ideas that has been presented by spirit. Okay, and I even feel like that someone younger than you might help you in your career. There is community, right? So yeah, there is help also in your career. Also someone is trying to help. Maybe you're very worried about the results, so or maybe you're given an exam and you're very worried about your results. So don't be like that. Instead, just work. Don't be so attached to the results. Things are going to be very clear for you guys. Yeah, things are moving forward with this 8 of Wands in your career, in your if you're studying, if you're for some of you I feel like you're waiting for an letter from some university or something like that, or letter for a new job that is coming your way with this 8 of Wands. And we have this action also. So for some of you, you have been waiting for a job or something like that. I feel like that's coming your way. You will get some information about it, and you will be, for some of you it's like you're traveling to a different country for work. That is, or maybe for some of you there is travel, and your parents are going to support you support you. Okay, for some of you it can be related to studies. You have been thinking about it. For some, you have been thinking about it. Maybe it's like you will get this thing. Like I'm just getting a scenario. It's like you have been applying for studies, like a university, and it's abroad, it's somewhere else. You have to travel. Now you will get this. Thus you will be selected, and now you are stressing how you will live without your family there. So that can be a thing. Okay, for some of you, you are called to move to a different place. You have been working on that, you have been studying, you have been applying, and finally you will get that. Finally you will be accepted by that university, or you will get a job somewhere else, and now you are stressing because you have to move away from your family, and you feel very challenged. So for some of you that is the case. And you know what spirit is telling? Don't be afraid, because you will find people there who will support you. Okay, and things are going to progress for you guys in your career. I'm seeing progression. Some travel will also might happen for some of you. If you're students, definitely I see you might get admission somewhere, and you will move to a different place. So don't or maybe I feel like Your mental health is also improving because you're moving forward. Maybe for some of you it's because of your studies or your career, you're thinking too much. So don't be attached too much with the results. Okay, everything will be okay. Don't think too much about the future, because there will be people who will support you. Okay, that's your blessing. So let's see what is your oh, I just forgot to pull out these cards for your love life. So I'll just pull out for your love life. Maybe we'll get some more info. Oh, past life relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are letting go of this person from your past life finally. Yeah, I'm getting that here. Ending a chapter. I'm getting divorce also for some of you. Finally, you are ending this chapter. Finally, you're ending the stress. You're cutting coats and moving forward. That's what I'm getting here. Yeah, a chapter is ended. Now you're moving forward. Yeah. Oh, so for some of you, it revolves around children also. So that's why you're very worried, because but you know, it's like spirit is telling you will be supported. You will find a community where people will support you. Don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, maybe this person, you know, you have children with this person, so you're very worried how, you know, will this divorce or will this separation affect your children. But like, it's like you are transforming into a new person, right? Don't be so you know, for some of you are worried about your children's future, so that's why surrender your attachment to results. You're very worried about your future, that kind of thing. So in the November month, what you need to do is, whenever you stressing out, just ask for guidance from spirit, or there are people around you who will support you in this. That's the message here. Okay, for some of you. Yeah, let's see the cards from fairies. And if you are in a relationship, I feel like you're letting go of this person and moving forward, moving away. Maybe for this, you know, you are moving away from this person, you're moving away to a different country. That is also I'm getting here. Wow, look, we got 4-leaf clovers. Yes, finally, unlucky times will soon be over, guys. It will be over. Trust. Okay, you have found a 4-leaf clover. You're moving forward. So you are letting go of this this relationship. You're letting go of something. And for some of you, maybe you're worried about the custody for your children also. So whatever, you know, the result is, it's going to be for your highest good, and you will find support. Okay, that's what I'm getting here strongly. And you're moving forward with your life with this 8 of Wands action card, moving forward, moving away from this person, starting a new life. So don't be so worried about the result. Okay, you will be able to overcome this adversity and you will shine. Okay, and you know, I feel like the strength card here, so many challenges you have overcome, and now you're shining, you're understanding your own courage. So yeah, unlucky times will soon be over, guys. That's a message I feel spirit is telling. Don't worry, everything will be for your highest good. So let's see what else is your affirmation for the month of November. I prosper wherever I turn. So yeah, interestingly, moving to a new place, moving like maybe for some of you, you are moving to a different home, a different career, you know, moving away from this person, moving into a different. So there is definitely movement coming your way, some sort of moving, and moving to a place where you will be supported. That is what I'm getting. You're moving away from all these adversities. You're learning a lot of lessons. You're overcoming the challenges, and you're growing. And yes, and wherever you are going to go, you will prosper. So this is the affirmation. I recommend you to write down in your journal if it's possible. If you do it. I prosper wherever I turn, right? So I now see opportunities for abundance everywhere I am blessed and prospered. So yeah, for some of you, if you're students, you're moving to a different place and you're very stressed about it, so you will prosper there. Don't worry. And if it's a new career, if it's a new place, you're going to prosper there. So that is your affirmation. So let's see the charms and the letters also for group number 2. So for group number 2, November month, how the November month will be. Oh, we got the ladybug. So yeah, good news is coming. Definitely, I feel like you have been struggling for the past few months. Now the good times are coming. The lucky times are over. You're moving forward. Okay, you're moving forward. Definitely, there is. I feel like a decision has been made, and you will be very happy with the decision, and you're going to move forward. Yeah, things are going to change for you guys. Things are not going to change, and we have the Saturn also. Yes, lot of adversities, lot of hard work you have been overcoming, right? Yeah, you have. Yeah, my god, look this, look this, look this, guys. We have 4-leaf clovers, and you got the card 4-leaf clover. It's a confirmation, guys. I'm very happy for you guys. Like, yes, you have been going through a lot of challenges. Finally things are moving forward for you guys. Okay, maybe in your studies you have been facing a lot of challenges, in your mental health challenges, relationship, divorce, like whatever. Finally you're moving forward. Okay, so let that obsessive thinking, surrender to that surrender your obsessive thinking, surrender your attachment to results, because you are moving forward. A new place, a new home, a new country, a new city for some of you, or maybe a new like a new version of yourself who is not so stressed. So mental health, I feel like mental health issues, if you have mental health issues, you are overcoming that. You're moving forward in your life. Okay, yeah, it has been very challenging with Saturn. You have learned a lot of lessons. Yeah, definitely it has been very challenges, but you're very courageous. You're understanding your courage. Now it's the time to fill your life with full of love. Okay, read a lot of books, gather knowledge, or if you're signing any documents, read it before. Okay, that's important. Yeah, spirit is definitely with you. With this Hamsa hand, there is protection also. Yeah, news, I am getting some news is definitely coming your way. A lot of peace, I'm seeing that. Finally the peace, and you have grown a lot, and moving away from some aggressive people. You're moving to a community where people um, will like love you, support you. You're moving away from the people who don't support you. Maybe there was an Aries sign who you are moving away with. This person was very controlling, very manipulating. You're moving away from these kind of people. And don't yeah, we have Apple. With this, don't be tempted to do anything very quickly because you want certain result. Don't take any shortcut also. Okay, don't take any shortcut. It will not be good for you guys. And eat healthy. Yeah, Moon, new beginnings. Definitely new beginnings are coming your way. And we have Dragonfly. Dragonfly is about change. Yes, change. Definitely we have 5 number. Things are going to change for you guys. Definitely. And we have A, we have D, we have D, and we have Y. Okay, so let's see the letters for group number 2. We have MS, we have N, we have J, we have N, we have G, we have L, A, and U. I'm getting for some of you now, you have certain addictions that you need to let go of. Maybe you smoke or drink, or maybe, yeah, some sort of addiction you have. You need to let it go. That will not help you in your progress. Okay? Or maybe you, I don't know, without sleeping pills you cannot sleep. Maybe you need to consult doctor for that or something like that. I'm getting here some sort of yeah, addictions that you need to let go of. Look, we have Sun here. Yeah, Sun is going to shine definitely, guys. Things are going to be clear. The happiness is coming. Don't worry. That's it for group number 2. Bye bye. Take care. So group number 3, if you have chosen this Ace of Clubs, let's see how your November month will be. Let's see that. Okay, so I'm getting like amethyst crystal will be important to you guys for the month of November, and it will help you with your spiritual progress I'm getting. Like use amethyst crystal for protection as well as developing your skills. So amethyst crystal might help you. Okay. And I'll be doing charms and letters also. So yeah. Okay, so you have gotten the rune Evas, and Evas is about the death card in tarot. If you're familiar with death card in tarot, it's like a transformation, like leaving behind the things that are not good for you. For some of you, it can be ego death you're having in the month of November, like letting go of that. Sometimes we focus too much on the outside. I feel like what you're going to do in the month of November is you're focusing on yourself, you're focusing on your inner self more. Okay, so there is this transformation, this renewal. As a person, you're changing, you're growing. Okay, so definitely you're letting go of the things that are not good for you guys, letting go of the habits also. Maybe you will be changing some habits of yours that you know that is not good for you guys. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here. So let's see the overall energy for you guys for group number 3. Let's see for overall energy for group number 3 in the month of November. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, let's see. One second. Wow, we have caring connections. A lot of generous people you will be meeting. I feel like a lot of caring connections. If you're in a partnership, I feel like your partner will be noticing you more. Okay, so if you dress in a different way, they will notice you, they will give a lot of attention to you guys. Okay, so they will be taking care of your needs. Maybe for some of you will receive roses or flowers, or maybe you have an anniversary coming. Okay, maybe for some of you you have your birthdays or anniversary, so maybe you will be receiving some good gesture from their part. Like if you have been having problems in your relationships, I feel like you will understand that this person really cares for you guys, and you'll be letting go of sometimes you overthink about your relationship. Maybe you're letting go of this thing in the month of November. You're understanding that this person really cares for you, they love you, they like to take they like to spend time with you, right? So maybe you in the past, maybe you felt like that they are not so caring, or if you felt like that, I feel like you are not overthinking about that, and you realize that they actually and genuinely care for you guys. Okay, if it's a long-term relationship, if it's a good partnership, I feel like that you're coming together. And for others, it's like you will be meeting a lot of new people who will be really caring for you guys. A lot of generous people, they will be appreciating you for your work. Like for some of you, you might receive some generous gift, like good words. Okay, for some of you, it like you will be sometimes good compliments make us happy, right? So maybe you will be receiving good compliments from other people, and it will make you happy. You will feel loved. I'm getting like you will feel loved. Okay, that's the thing. And we have 5 number also. So if you have been encountering some challenges in your life, this will lead to positive changes in your life. So yeah, with this Eva's also death card also, sometimes things are emotional, sometimes we have problem letting go of things, but when we let go of things, it's like a new beginning. So it's like death, like endings are merely beginnings. So yeah, sometimes we need to end, sometimes we need to let go of things so we can have new things in our life, right? It can be like dresses in your closet. Like when you let go of that old, that is when there will be space for new things, right? So for some of you, it's like in the month of November, you might be decluttering a lot, letting go of the things that are not good for you, or letting go of the things that you don't use very well. Okay, but definitely maybe you will be going on dates, spending quality time together. Maybe your parents, your friends will reach out to you, and you will feel very loved. Maybe they will show their care, and you will feel very loved. For some of you, it's like when you want, if you're feeling very tired, there will be support from your parents, from your family, and you feel very good. So overall energy is support is there, a lot of love. You're going to be loved by people, and you're going to give that energy back. So a lot of love, a lot of caring connection. It's a beautiful energy to be in, right? So maybe spending more time with your family, that's possible. A lot of laughter, joyful times I'm getting here. Okay, letting go. For some of you it's like you're forgiving someone, and like maybe a friend of yours, you were not talking to them, finally you're forgiving them, you're coming back together. So for some of you it's like that also. You're yeah, you had certain issues, that's why you didn't talk, finally you're like letting go of that ego, now you're talking with this person and you're feeling loved. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. So let's see. What lesson are you learning in the month of November? So let's see what lesson you are learning in the month of November. What you're learning? Discipline. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, sometimes I feel like for you guys it's like letting go of certain habits also yours that is not good for you guys. Yeah, with this Eva's like, yeah, letting go of certain things, certain emotions that are not good for you guys. It needs your discipline, right? So it's like you wake up very late in the morning, so you are trying to get up early, so you need that discipline. Sometimes what happens, we do it for like 2 3 or 1 week, then we don't do it, right? So here in the November month, you have to learn to be disciplined. That's what I feel like. If you want to have success in your life, if you want to accomplish something in your life, then you have to be disciplined. Discipline is very important for you guys, and that is what you need to learn, and I feel like that is what you are going to learn. It's like our thinking also needs discipline. Like when we are thinking positively, we need to discipline our mind, right? So disciplining our mind is also important. Our thoughts is also important. It should be a process, right? We one day we did, and the next day we are like again back into this negative thinking. It doesn't work like that. We have to be disciplined with our imagination also. We have to be disciplined. For some of you, maybe you're imagining things to manifest, some imagination. Through imagination we can manifest things, so maybe you're trying that. So you have to be consistent with it, you have to be disciplined with it. Okay, so if you want to grow in your studies, or if you want to grow in your career, you need to be very, very disciplined, and through discipline only you will be able to achieve that success in your life. Okay, and here spirit is telling me that like I'm getting, whatever you want you can accomplish in your life, but you have to be disciplined. And you know what, when you're disciplined, when you're doing your best, there will be people who will be presented to you by spirit, and they will give you opportunities, right? So if you want to accomplish something, you can, but you have to work. Okay, you have to be disciplined, and you have to like do that every day. Okay, you did it like for example, if you want to lose weight, you have to get up every day, you have to work for it every day. Like you're just thinking, and I will do that tomorrow, then it will not work, right? So that is what you need to know right now. Okay, so let's see what your blessings will be for the month of November, group number 3. Okay, wait a second, I'll just shuffle it again. I just felt like shuffling again. So let's see. Marriage, again we have caring connections. Marriage, oh wow, your marriage life is going to be very beautiful. For some of you, maybe you're getting married in the month of November, and it will be such a blessing for you guys. Or maybe you will go to a marriage where you will meet a lot of friends, reunion, and it will be such a blessing for you guys. Like getting together with your family, friends. Okay, that's something I'm getting, like reunion. If you have been going through a tough time in your marriage, I feel like things are going to be resolved. You will see that this person cares for you, and you will feel like, yeah, my marriage is good, everything is happening for the highest good. For some of you, it's like I'm getting like, if you're not in a good relationship, you're going to break off, you're going to let go of this relationship and move forward with move forward to the people who love you, who care for you. Okay, not necessary, it can be a platonic relationship also, where people care for you guys. Okay, so definitely things are coming together. Marriage is all about togetherness, right? So it's like you're coming together, your feminine side, your masculine side is coming together, you are balancing, and that's the blessing here. Balance, harmony, unity. That's the blessing for you guys. Maybe meeting new people and you're making a connection with them. So connection, or it can be a business partnership also, that is going to be a blessing for you guys. Or yeah, connecting with your friends, family. or your marriage is going to be very successful. You feel very happy in your marriage life. And we have number 3, celebration. Okay, celebration. I'm getting celebration, victory. Maybe for some of you, it's like you will be celebrating your birthday or anniversary, and you will be feeling very happy, feeling very pampered, feeling very loved. Okay. For some of you, definitely your spouse or your partner will shower a lot of love. That's something I'm getting. Oh, we have high honor. Okay, so you're going to be recognized. Maybe for some of you, I feel like your spouse, for some of you, your efforts were not recognized by your spouse or by your partner, what you did for them, but finally they're recognizing how important you are to them, right? So maybe they have taken you for granted, maybe they have taken your advice for granted, you have helped them through tough times, you were there, you were with them during their tough times. Maybe they didn't appreciate you, like they didn't recognize you so much, like your efforts were not that recognized as it should be. Finally they're doing that, they're recognizing you, they're giving you respect, they're giving you that high honor. For others, it's like you're in your career, you're getting a lot of recognition. Your work is, in your work you're getting that recognition that you deserve. You've been recognized. Maybe you have been doing a lot of work, your ideas were not recognized, people didn't recognize your efforts. Finally, people, family, friends, everyone is recognizing your discipline, because I feel like you're going to be very disciplined. You will be like achieving the things that you want in your life. So people will be like, wow, this person is so determined, like they will never give up. So people are recognizing. And for some of you, people will be like, wow, your relationship is so beautiful. And you will be like saying that it's like a marriage, a beautiful marriage takes a lot of effort. Every day we have to put that effort, and you're doing it. That's how things, like marriage needs time, like we need to put that work in the marriage also. So you will be guiding them. I feel like you will be good, giving good marriage like good relationship advices to other people also. That's something. But your marriage life is going to be very beautiful. That's what I'm getting. That's the major blessing. Your partner is giving you high honor, respect that you deserve. Okay. And in work also, I feel like maybe it's related to your career. You are getting a lot of recognition for your ideas, a lot of caring people, a lot of love. I'm getting like November is a month where you will be filled with love, a lot of love. And finally your work is going to be appreciated. And I feel like for some of you, you might be working from home, and you will be respected for that also. Like, yeah, that you're balancing your home, you're balancing your career, so people will respect you for that also. So definitely a lot of respect, lot of high, people are giving you that high value. I'm getting like something like that. Your advice, if you give someone, if you give advice to someone, they will be like, wow, thank you for that advice, and they will honor you, respect you for that. Okay. Yeah. Let's see your love life. It's all about love. I feel like your love life is going to be very good. If you're single, I feel like you will be with a lot of caring people, with your friends, with your family. And if you're looking, if you're going out, I feel like you will find someone who will be very caring. Okay. Who will respect you a lot. And for some of you, it's like if you are like marriage also is possible for some of you, or maybe you're planning your marriage in the month of November. That's quite possible, and it will be very good. The marriage setup will be very beautiful. People will be like, wow, this is so beautiful. They will love that setup and all. Okay, that's something I feel like. The way you dress, everyone will be appreciating you. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see. A lot of appreciation is coming your way. Love life for group number 3. And you know what? People are appreciating you. They are not seeing how much you have worked. I feel like you have been disciplined, and that's what you're learning more and more, that you need discipline to do anything in our life. Discipline is needed. You're understanding that. So let's see. Wow, power. Look, power couple here again. Yeah, I feel like your marriage is going to be very You will be very happy in your marriage or in your partnership. It's like you have the power, like both of the, it's like a equal partnership where you can say things to them, they will say things to you. Like there are no secrets, everything is out, everything is clear, and you're feeling powerful. Like it's a power couple. For some of you, you are the power couple. Look at interesting. Like look, we have two. Like it's a couple power. Like I feel like your love life is going to be very good. That's what I feel like. You'll be in your power, you'll be very happy. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Or if yeah, you'll be feeling very stable and secure in your relationship. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, we have 4 of coins. Yeah, definitely I feel like with the number I'm getting 4 and 4, right? So it's like you're feeling very stable, you're feeling very secure, financial security is there, you're feeling in your power. So a lot of stability, security is what I feel for you guys. First, if you're single, you might be taking care of yourself. Maybe sometimes you will be bored, like you will not be so interested in meeting new people. You will be because you're feeling powerful. Like you're like, if you're single, you're like, I'm okay to be single. I don't care if I don't have a relationship because I have good friends, family around who are supporting me. So yeah, if you're single, I feel like you might be enjoying your single life in the month of November, but you will be going out also, I feel like. But definitely there is a lot of caring people around you, and that's a blessing, right? A lot of support you're going to receive from your spouse, from your partner, from your family, from your friends. Okay, and you're being seen now. Maybe people didn't see you, like finally they're seeing your worth. So let's see, and that's beautiful. I feel like they're seeing how courageous you are. Oh, look at it, guys. What I was talking about, honeymoon. For some of you, yeah, some of you are marrying and then going to a honeymoon. That's possible. Marriage, honeymoon, spending quality time together, travel. Maybe you will be traveling. And with this marriage card, yeah, your relationship is like at a honeymoon phase. Even if you're married for like 5 years or 6 years or 10 years, doesn't matter. You're just enjoying each other's company. You're like having a very nice time together. Okay, that's what, like how we feel at the honeymoon phase, that's what you're going to experience, right? A lot of love, that's the thing. And if you're all if you're marrying, or if you're newly married, a lot of, maybe you'll be traveling and you will be enjoying each other's company. Okay, that's a lot. Just one more card for group number 3 for the love life. Yeah, free yourself from the past. That's what you're doing. So that's why your relationship is becoming stronger and stronger, because both of you are releasing yourself from the past mistakes. You're not, sometimes when couple fight, what happens is we take the past things and say, you did that in past, you did that in past. And we females do that a lot, right? So I feel like you are letting go of the past, you're freeing yourself. Now you're going to enjoy, you're forgiving this person, and that's why they're caring. They're seeing the love you give to them, they are seeing that how much you value them, and that's why they are valuing you. So it's like you're freeing yourself from the past. And for others, if you're single, I feel like you're freeing yourself from the past relationship and you're feeling very good about yourself. For some of you, it's like you're enjoying your own company, you're going to travel with your friends, or maybe attending birthday parties, celebration, like marriage, something like that. But definitely you're freeing yourself from all the past baggages and you're moving forward. You're in power. You're going to feel that you're powerful. You're sitting in power. You're not giving away your power to anyone. You are feeling powerful. That's what I'm getting. So you feel like that you have the power to do the things in your marriage. You have the freedom, right? That's what I feel like. You have the freedom to say things to your partner. You don't keep any secrets. They don't keep any secrets. So it's like because you're forgiving them for the past mistake, they are forgiving you for the past mistake. So there is no past thing, right? You're letting go of that. Okay, for some of you, it's like you're letting go of this person completely. You're moving in your power, you're freeing yourself from this person, and you're enjoying your own time. Like you're going to go like travel alone or something like that, enjoying your time. That's what I'm getting. You're loving yourself though. You're taking care of yourself, you're loving yourself, you're making yourself a priority, you're getting disciplined. If you want to lose weight, you're going to do that. If you want to gain weight, you're going to do that. If you want to do some if you want to change your wardrobe, you're doing that. You're taking care of yourself. Okay, things are coming together for you guys. That's what I'm getting. So let's see what you need to surrender in the month of November. What you need to surrender. Surrender comparison with other people. Okay, so if you're comparing yourself to other people, but I don't feel like you're comparing, but maybe for some of you, you compare yourself. Maybe you don't have to, because you're going to glow. You're such a beautiful person. You're going to be in your power. So don't compare yourself to other people. Don't compare your journey to other people, because everyone has a different journey. Free yourself from that. Okay, that's what. And surrender to inner peace. Right, sometimes when we compare ourselves to other people, that is when we don't have the inner peace, right? So don't do that in the month of November. Maybe you will do that. So that's why it's coming, like spirit is like warning you not to do that. You are unique and you're beautiful as you are. Okay, so don't compare yourself. Don't compare your success to anyone else's success. Don't do that. Okay, so let's see your career. So group number 3, how the career will be in the month of November. 4 of Swords, healing energy, like feeling very relaxed. You like, there is a lot of inner peace I'm getting for you guys. Feeling very relaxed, like listening to your heart. Yeah, listening to your heart, listening to your creative ideas and working on that ideas. Like with this nest, you're feeling safe in your career. You're feeling very secure in your career. You're not stressing about it. Whenever you stress, you take a break, you relax, because you know that because you're in your power. I feel like that. That's why it's like you're taking care of yourself in the month of November, and you are disciplined, as well as you're not taking too much of pressure on yourself. You're like, sometimes things will not go the way we want, and stress will not give us anything. So you will let go of that stress and take your time, and maybe you will have a nap and you will relax and then get back to work. So that's what I'm getting, like a lot of relaxing energy. A lot of creative ideas also I'm getting. You will be very productive though. You will be very productive in the month of November. You'll be doing a lot of like if you are someone who like do some creative things, you will be doing a lot, but at the same time you will not overwork also. Or maybe it's an advice not to overwork, to relax, to take a break. Okay, that's the thing. And I feel like financial healing is what is happening. Maybe you have dealt with a lot of financial problems, or maybe because of your parents you had this like money will not come to you. I feel like in the month of November you're actually healing it, healing that financial healing is happening in your life. I'm getting that also. We have Page of Wands, a lot of creative ideas I'm getting, and you're going to for some of you it's like a lot of learning also is going to happen in the month of November. You will be learning a lot, and some good news regarding your career. If you're trying for a new project, if you want to do a new project, that is quite possible in the month of November. As well as I'm getting, if you want to learn something new, go for it. That will be very, very good for your future. Okay, so yeah. And with this Page of Wands, take no like be open to more learning. Okay, yeah, learning. I'm getting learning, a lot of learning you will be doing, and this all thing will help you in your career. Okay, if you're students, okay, that is also I'm getting. If you're students, if you're learning something, take breaks. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Okay, take breaks. Yeah, but look, she's resting. Like while resting, you will get a lot of creative ideas, and then you're like on the go. You're like taking that creative idea and you're working on that creative idea, feeling happy about it. So you are going to enjoy your work. Yeah, you're going to enjoy your work in the month of November. You will be very disciplined, as well as discipline is important, as well as I feel like if you're students, you will be enjoying what you're learning. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. And with this Page of Wands, I feel like new information will be given to you guys, and yeah, new information, new news, some good news is about your career is definitely coming. You're feeling very new, you're feeling like, yes, I can do this, like that kind of energy is there for you guys. Like you're not too much, you're not holding tight. I'm getting like sometimes we hold tight, like we manifest something. Yeah, I want this much money, like I want to make this much money, I want to grow in my career, and at the same time we hold it tight, we stress about it. You're not holding it tight, you're like letting it loose. So that's why I feel you will be feeling very good in the month of November. You will be progressing slowly, but at the same time you will be very happy by your progress. And I feel like you will have time to rest also. Maybe you will be taking off some days off from work, and like focusing on your health. That is also something I'm doing. You will not be overworking also. Okay, I just felt called to take one more card for you guys for your career. Wow, we have Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, with this Four of Swords and Ace of Pentacles, what I'm getting is like while you're sleeping you're making money. So maybe yeah, the things that you have done in your past will give you some money. That's something I'm getting here with this Ace of Pentacles here. So definitely money is coming to you guys. Financial abundance is there. So keep on working on your goals. Make your goal like surrender. That's what I'm getting, like surrender. Don't hold too tightly, surrender. Because when we stress about it, when we like why this is not working, why things are not moving forward, it will take more time. So just do your work, relax. Just do your work, relax, and things will come to you guys. Okay, that's what you need to do. And definitely there is like something from your past, you know, you're getting some benefit from your past. The past work you have done, like for example, if you have made like YouTube videos and at that time it didn't work very well, but maybe the same video will be like that video will blow, like something you did from the past will, like some videos will blow and it will give you a lot of views, and so you will get some money like that. Yeah, something like that, something that you did in the past will give you a lot of money in the month of November. Okay, let's pull out these cards for you guys. So for group number 3, what else? Trust. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out, let go of doubt. I think we got it for the piles, second pile or first pile. Yeah, you need to trust, guys. Trust that everything is going to be all right for you guys. I feel like everything will be all right. You don't have to stress about anything. Enjoy your life, relax when you feel like relaxing, take a break, because the more you surrender, you know, the more things will be easy for you guys. That's what I'm getting. The more you trust, things will be easy for you guys. The more you surrender, things will be easy for you guys. But when we are holding tight, when we are stressing, that is when things take time. That's what you need to know right now, okay, for the month of November. Let's see your affirmations for the month of November. If you can write it down in your journal, it will be good, so you can just read it out every day for the month of November, or just take a screenshot so you can just look at it every day if you feel called to, obviously. So okay, we got this for another pile. I trust my inner wisdom. All you need to do is trust your inner wisdom. Yeah, with this Four of Swords energy also, like getting a lot of creative ideas while you're meditating, while you're very silent, and trust those ideas, because that will give you a lot of success in your life. Okay, so I trust my inner wisdom. This came for another pile. Look at it, I have been shuffling like same cards. As I go about my daily affairs, I listen to my own guidance. My intuition is always on my side. I trust it to be there at all times. I'm safe. Okay, so this is your affirmation. I feel like pulling one more card for you guys, because we got that for another pile, I think. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. So let's see what else. Maybe you watched that pile. I don't know. So let's see. Oh, that's a lot. So just okay. Yeah, I'm willing to let go. Yes, I talked about letting go of surrender. Like, yeah, sometimes we like how manifestation work, and I talked about with this rune also, letting go of the things that are not good for you guys. Like with this, I'm willing to let go. You know, sometimes we have desires and we manifest it. We want to manifest, we give that desire to the universe, and we use scripting, we do different methods, but sometimes we don't trust it. We like, oh my god, will this happen, will this happen, we stress about it, and maybe we say that, oh, this is not going to happen for me, I will never have that, you know, we say that those things. And our word is our wand, okay? So what you say is very important. So if you are like constantly saying that I'll not be able to make it, my finances will not grow, if you're constantly saying that, it will not happen, guys. So you need to change. Understand your word is very important. The way you talk to yourself, the way you talk about your success is very important. So yeah, okay. So I am willing to let go. So speak kindly to yourself, appreciate yourself. That is very important. I release others to experience whatever is meaningful to them, and I am free to create that which is meaningful to me. And we talked about yeah, free yourself, right? Yeah, letting go of freeing people, freeing yourself, and trusting your inner self. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot of this, and this one also. So let's do the charms, guys. For group number 3, then November month. Slow but surely. Tortoise, sea turtle. Go with the flow, guys. Go with the flow. Okay, yeah. I feel like you're letting go of all the stress, all the tears, and we have the money back. Yes, I told you. Some sort of abundance, some sort of financial growth is definitely coming your way. Let go of the past, release the past. Yeah, with this hammer, cut all that emotions that are not good for you. You need to do that, definitely. And yeah, understand that you're a lion, and you be passionate about the things and move forward. You're very courageous. Go with the flow. Yeah, arrow. Your goals and desires should be your number one priority. Be disciplined. Keep on moving forward. Yeah, hard work is going to definitely pay off. Spirit is seeing that. Okay. And yeah, peon also. Yeah, surrender to play also. I feel like singing songs, listening to music, that will be very helpful for you guys. And we have frog. Yeah, letting go of that negative things, hopping away whenever you think like negatively, just hop away. Or negative people, hop away from them. Okay, whenever you think negatively, just replace it with positive affirmation. That will be very helpful for you guys. Yeah, fairies are with you, they're guiding you, your angels are with you. Okay, and we have a triangle also. So maybe for some of you it's like important to focus on your spirituality, have a spiritual practice like meditation should be very I feel like you need to do meditation every day. Maybe, yeah, that will help you, okay, with letting go of things. That is the problem for you guys, to let go. You cannot easily let go of things, so you need to work on that, okay. We have DM. Oh, so some of you will get some DMs, okay. Then we have P, and yes, don't involve in any gossip. Don't waste your time in that, okay. In the month of November, let's see. I'm getting MBBS for some of you. Maybe you are trying for that, okay. So yeah, maybe you will get the seat, something like that, or maybe you're studying that. You will be okay. You will be able to do it, okay. Your career will go. Don't think too much. Don't focus too much on failure. You will not, okay. Focus on the positive things, okay. That's something I'm getting. Your hard work will definitely pay off. So if you are preparing for exam, your hard work will pay off. Don't stress too much. When you want to relax, relax. Let go of that. I'm feeling like some of you is like very angry at someone. You need to let go of that also, because that angry, that resentment is only, it's bad for you as well, right? It is not doing any good to you guys, so you need to let go of it. Forgiveness, and you need to forgive someone. I feel like that. 10, yeah, completion of a cycle, letting go of the things that are not good for you guys. You need to do it. Letting go of the emotions that is not good for you guys. I'm getting angel. Yeah, we have an angel. Yeah, you're an angel, guys. Yeah, it's so beautiful. You're so caring. But sometimes you get angry. Sometimes you hold on to the things that are not good for you. So that's all you need to do. You need to let go of the things. Understand that you're an angel. And you have helped so many people. Yeah, you have helped so many people. You take care of people and you're an angel. And I feel like in your marriage life also, because there was a lot of carrying connection cards here, so I feel like your spouse or your partner feels like you're an angel to them. Okay, that's something I feel like you're their guardian angel. Okay, I'm getting think twice before making a decision. Like before making a big decision, think twice. That's what I just got. Gel very important to someone here. I'm getting mice also. Mice, stay away from them. Like there are friends around you who just like to gossip. Maybe just walk away from them. Okay. And definitely we have the ant. Hard work is going to pay off. Okay. Yeah, nice. And we have caring connections also. So with this, like nice people, you're going to be surrounded by nice people. And the mice is like mice, you're getting out of that kind of people, meeting new people, meeting nice people. Nice things are coming your way. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye. Take care, guys.